Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, open two of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. In my case, Chrome and Messages. When you finished, access background apps and click on the icon of an app. Then select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!